Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Tolerated, the riff version, right? So I did a tutorial on this song and most of you were more interested in the intro, that riff that she plays in the intro on the piano. So that's what we're doing for this video, alright? So if you watch the video, you know we were using just two chords, C to D, okay, for that verse, intro and stuff. So that's the same chords that we'll be using for this riff, okay? But now the only difference is instead of playing D as a D like that, we're just gonna use C and slide it, right? It still sounds like a D. It's actually a D, okay? You just slide the C from frets 1 to 3 to frets 3 to 5, okay? So we're playing, we pluck all strings simultaneously, 5, 4, 3, and 2, okay? That, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, 1, 2, 3, and then you go to second fret of third string, right, and then you open on second string, so that's, and then you go to third fret of the second string, open, so okay, so 2, open, 3, open, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 2, open, 3, open, 2. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's do that part. Open on the second string, second fret, and then you go to open on the second fret of the third string, and then you go to second string, play open, third fret, open, back to 2 of the third string. Okay, so then we go to the D. So this is C, this is D. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then now we're plucking strings 5 and 4, and then so that's 1, 2, 3, and then open on the third fret, 2, the second fret, so open on the third string, sorry, second fret, and then open on the second string, back to 2, okay, so open on the third string, second fret on the third string, open on the second string, back to second fret of the third string, open on the third string, okay? So the only fill-ins that we have there are, and then we have, okay, and then we have, so you play C, and then for the chorus and everything else, you just use the strums like you would for the rest of, like you would if you were playing the song as a beginner or whatever. And I already have a video on that. I will leave it in the description below for those of you that have not yet watched it. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Peace.